What's happening YouTube, your boy TechTrex back in another video, and today we're looking at the USmile Feature 1, the AI powered toothbrush. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come, of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Make sure to check out my merch below on 130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. We're going to unbox this today and show you the features of this as well. Here we go. So the packaging is really nice, as you can see here. It has some deep clean and also whitening pro. Look at this packaging right here. If you want a case for your Sonic electric toothbrush, this is very nice leather on the outside and also a little magnetic clip right there. This is the unit right here. Boom. There's also the tip for the whitening pro right there. It also comes with a deep clean tip right there. And then this has the literature and also a USB-C charger right there. That's it for the box. Put this away. So as you can see here, the case has a UV light right there where you can place your toothbrush tip right in there. That's what it looked like right there. And then this is what the case would look like when you have the toothbrush in there. And then once you close it, you'll be able to travel with it, bring it to the plane, and you'll be able to use that as well. There you go. Now this is how you would charge the case for the UV light to sanitize your brushes. This is what the toothbrush look like as a USmile right there. It's also indicator lights up there. This is how you would turn it on by clicking that. Then you'll be able to change the options on the bottom here by clicking the little button over here. There's a few options as well, like clean, white, soft, massage, and smart. For the most part, what I use is clean when I'm cleaning my teeth, but it is nice to use the smart for some cases where you want to just let the toothbrush remember your options through the app. Bottom has a little cap as well, so you could charge the toothbrush via USB-C. Now if you're not charging, you can just put the cap on like so, and you're good to go. Now the app that we're looking at today is the USmile Oral Care. Basically, you would just pair your toothbrush with the app and you'll be able to control everything from the app, and also it'll help you track and report some of the things that you are doing wrong when you are brushing your teeth so that you can clean your teeth in a proper way. Pairing is really easy. Just hit connect there and it'll pair it itself. As you can see, it's already connected. Now there are a lot of options on this. As you can see, you can force the adjustment on the clean mode, white mode, soft mode, massage mode, and also if you want to take off cigarette stain mode. Now let's go ahead and start a new session here. I'm just gonna brush my teeth on cleaning mode. I'm just gonna press the button here and off we go. Now, according to USmile, 80% of the population in the world actually doesn't brush properly, causing 3.5 billion of people having oral diseases. I understand the intention of USmile Feature 1 because it's more of like a coach. It'll tell you what you are doing wrong when you are brushing your teeth and how long have you been brushing for. USmile also claims that with one charge, it'll last up to 365 days, which is really good. You don't have to charge it so many times. It can also remove up to 95.81% of plaque. Honestly, the diamond-shaped brush filament feels good on my teeth. The brush tip is also replaceable and it is IPX8 waterproof. It was so hard for me to brush this long. I think the total amount of brushing is 4 minutes, and that was way too long for me, but it did help me clean thoroughly on my teeth. It helped me personally as well to improve and be concerned. By using this every day, I'm able to track as well a few things on my toothbrush habits. This is kind of like the graph that you get after brushing your teeth. It just gives you how much force you've put in, and also the duration and the coverage of what you've done there. I did pretty good, 95%, but I could definitely get better on my coverage. So when I look at this, I'm going to use it so that I can improve on certain areas. And of course, next time I'll probably mess something up again. So I'll just use it again to improve on my brushing. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on a brand new Sonic electric toothbrush, which is also self-cleaning as well. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.